Say what?
A lot of shredders out there.
Yeah. Let the MB gang know what's up.
You already know MB gang.
MB gang, what is up? It's your boy Lies, aka MotoBroo. And as y'all can flip and tell, bro, we got hella people out here today. Oh shit. Bro, what the hell? They just came from a street ride, dude. We got the boy Tater, let's go! Dude, we got Slam KTM. Bro, I just got here and look how many people just pulled up. Alright, let's go, let's shred. Let's shred. Bro, look at everyone here right now, let's go! My dude, that's me! Big 450 gang! Let's go. Hey, I need to do that because it's like pulling. Let's go, bro! Let's go! We out here, dog! We got boy Tater out here, bro! Tater in the cut! Boy Tater out here! Crazy! So gang, as y'all can see, we're at the lot right now and so many people just pulled up. Everyone's vibing. Everyone got their big 450s out here. You already know, big 450 YZ gang. Yeah! Hey! Big 450! No, yeah, 450 now, boy. Is a 450 or 2? 50. You're smooth on it. I'm just like ding ding ding. Yeah. I gotta get used to the power. Yeah. Ooh, there's the boy. Street legal 350, bruh. Street legal, like. That's crazy. My dad, how you doing? Good. Yeah, the bike is clean. Oh, we got YZ boy. Yeah, it's my new bike. That was gangster right there, bro. Yeah. Boy, shredding, dude. What a vibe, dog. Woo! Yo, the way just around. Bro, it's just so crazy. Like, the 450 with this race gas just be kicking so hard. But it's so fun, dude. Just being on the 450. I'm gonna try to hit a little no-hander right here. Yes, sir! Bro, the all blue YZ, this thing is clean. Do you hear that? Say what? I've been doing work this whole time. Still got a couple on it. It's my second day on it, so. And I need to wear down the tire. Why didn't it? I just wear down. Wear down, yeah. Look at the wall. I just did one for like a good few minutes, and it's still like. Still got a lot to go. I got Shinkos on the way, so I'm like, eh. What tires are those? Oh, the Michelin. Michelin. These are the ones that's good in the rain. The Shinkos ain't good in the rain? Nah, these are a lot better. That's why I only get these tires. I just ordered Shinkos. These are lovely in the rain. I'm gonna put a set on my boat. Okay. These like a halfway when I go to hit off there or something like that. Okay. Where? dude. You guys good? I might have had that on video. Bro, I was looking down at my phone, trying to tag people, and I look up when we just flipped the quad. Good to see you.
Oh, good to see you. What's up?
You're always shredding that thing.
Ready for it?
Yeah, let me see it. Hot that boy up. Woo! What happened? I don't know what happened right there. Maybe the carb was a little flooded. Ooh, check out this, bro. Big old scooter. It's probably like a 500cc. Yes, sir! Woo! Does it do rolling burnouts?
Yeah.
You don't do those though? No. Damn. So,
2004.
huh?
2004.
04? Looks clean. When you launch it, will it lift up or no? It will just go? Hey, launch it.
They're gonna ride together now. Yeah, do.
Huh?
He said he wants to sit with you.
No. Hey, launch it. Oh my God. Homie asked, he's like, yo, can I ride on the bike with you? And I'm thinking, I'm like, bruh. How you doing? Doing good? The bike looks good? It's fine, record whatever you want.
I'm gonna send it to you too.
Okay.
But I'm from New York.
Okay.
From Jersey.
Yeah.
Just came down here to visit them.
Alrighty, gang. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. Freaking beautiful day at the lot. It's pretty dead right now, but as y'all seen in the beginning of this video, it was flipping lit. Ooh, we just scraped that. Stay motivated. I freaking love you. We have merch in the description down below. Until next time, peace.